Piece from circle creates a new circular piece based on the length of selected elements. Start the macro. Within the editor, different settings regarding the shape of the new piece can be changed. The different versions are displayed on the right side of the window. Extra length for the attachment seam and values for the seam allowance can be entered as well. This value determines the sleeve length or quilling width as shown in the editor. Grading for the new piece can be toggled on or off. When working with 2D/3D Connect, the element type for your attachment seam can be selected as well. Once everything is set, select OK. Now the elements used as a reference for our new piece need to be selected in the order of sewing. Collect the elements with the right mouse button and click the last one with the left. The piece will be created automatically. After the process is complete, the piece is attached to the mouse cursor and can be placed within the working area. The new piece contains a stripe line as well as a text position.